Tired of being invisible online? Want to boost your brand and attract more customers? This video is for you. Welcome to Syntham Sanka Business Solutions. We have been building websites since 2016. Over these years we've been crafting websites that not only look great but also drive results. We recently completed a website project. It is a small cleaning business that had zero online presence. In just 2 days, their website was indexed on Google. And within 2 weeks, they were ranking on the first page. Well, here is another example of a Pretoria-based vehicle parts supplier. We revamped their website and managed their Facebook page. Now, they're dominating Google search results with over 3,000 monthly impressions. Ready to skyrocket your online visibility? We offer a range of services, including website design and development, SEO, social media marketing, internet marketing. Don't miss out on the upcoming Black Friday frenzy. Book a consultation today and let's make your online dreams a reality. Book now at our website www.clouds.co.za. Let's grow your online presence. Quick and fast.